Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I am going to start class 5 EVS assessment 1 chapter 2 the human body revision part 1. Let us start. Unit 1 chapter 2 the human body. Starting point. Draw the shape of any three external organs and label them. Write a few lines about their function. So external organs which we can touch and see, those are called external. Those organs are called external organs. So we have to draw the shape of three external organs: eyes, nose, ear. Eyes, nose, ear. Eyes we can see, through eyes we can see. Nose we can smell. Ear we can hear. Learning ladder. Important internal organs. Brain. Brain is the organ which controls the movement and function of all organs of the body. So what is the function of brain? Brain is the organ which controls the movement and function of all the organs of the body. Organ which controls the movement and function of all the organs of the body? Brain. Now see here in this picture. This is skull. Brain is protected by the skull. Skull is the skeletal structure which protect the brain and support the face. Inside the skull there is a brain. Outer part of this largest part, uppermost and largest part of the brain is cerebrum, and inside this there is cerebellum. This is brain stem. And this red line you are seeing, this is spinal cord, and this ribs they are vertebral column. Clear? See here to here, this is vertebral column. Brain has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and brain stem. It helps in control and coordination of all the muscles of our body. Brain is protected by skull. It has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and brain stem. How many parts brain have? Three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and brain stem. It helps in the control and coordination of all the muscles of our body. All the essential movements of the body, from batting an eyelid to the control of the heartbeat, are dependent on the brain. So spinal cord. The spinal cord connects the brain to the rest of the body. It transmits messages from the brain to rest of the body and vice versa. It is also responsible for controlling and monitoring our reflexes. So what is the function of a spinal cord? The spinal cord connects the brain to rest of the body. It also transmits messages from the brain to rest of the body and vice versa. It is responsible for controlling and monitoring our reflexes. The human brain contains billions of brain cells. So student, one word question can be made. How many parts brain have? Three parts. Name them: cerebrum, cerebellum, brain stem. What is the function of these parts? Control and coordinate all the muscles of our body. Now spinal cord. What is the function of spinal cord? It transmits messages from the brain to rest of the body and vice versa. It is also responsible for controlling and monitoring our reflexes. It connects the brain to rest of the body. So these are function of spinal cord. So chapter 2 the human body revision part 1 completed. Thank you.